Welcome to our channel. If you're experiencing issues with missing packages or delivery problems related to your Amazon Prime Video subscription, follow this simple guide to address package delivery concerns. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to Amazon.com. Log in to your Amazon account using your email and password. Step 2. Hover over Returns and Orders in the top right corner to view your recent orders. Step 3. Locate any orders related to Amazon Prime Video subscriptions, devices, or related physical products. Step 4. Click on Track Package next to the relevant order to see the current delivery status and estimated delivery date. Step 5. If a package shows as delivered but you haven't received it, click on Problem with Order or Where's My Stuff option. Step 6. Select Package Didn't Arrive and follow the prompts to report the missing package to Amazon. Step 7. Amazon will investigate and typically offer a replacement or refund for the missing package. Step 8. To prevent future issues, update your delivery preferences by going to Account and Lists, then Your Addresses, and ensuring your delivery address is correct and includes detailed instructions. Step 9. Consider using Amazon Locker or pickup locations as alternative delivery methods if package theft or loss is a recurring problem. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.